Welcome to City Indie Vlog 2019. We're back and we're here for the new year. We've got great music coming up. We had a very successful time of it back almost a year ago, between January and May of last year, and we're going to do it again for this winter season because it's miserable outside, and who wants to be outside in this weather? So we're going to do the City Indie Vlog again. So this is season 2, episode 1. We've got 3 great performances: Django, Kinga and Sturgess. And so stay tuned, we've got lots of great music. Thanks for supporting music made in British Columbia, Vancouver. And stay tuned, we've got music coming up. Okay, so welcome to episode 1, season 2, episode 1 of City Indie Vlog. Just to say that if you do have music and you know somebody, or you are somebody you think you can be on the show, just send me a message. Contact me through Facebook or through the YouTube channel, depending on where you're watching this. I can respond fairly quickly. Alright, so the first music we're going to listen to today is from Django. They're good friends of mine. They played at Frankie's. I've done sound for them quite a lot. They got a new album out. It's called Hotel Europe, which coincidentally I was filming at just around the corner from the last night on a show called Million Little Things. And I walked right round the corner there. So Hotel Europe is quite I wouldn't say a popular destination, but it's quite famous. It's a hotel, SRO now. So anyway, they have this new CD out, and we're going to play a track from it. It's called Avalon. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was Django and a track from the new CD called Hotel Europe. And there they are, right there. So, yeah, my favorite Django Reinhardt tribute out there in the world. Alright, up next is a gal I ran into at Frankie's just before the new year, in fact December 27th. She was singing with Gabriel Hasselback, our famous trumpet player, and she got up and sang a couple of songs. She's doing some recording with Gabriel right now for a new CD, and she's got this album out that's been out a couple of years. It's called Guess Who I Saw Today, Kinga, and she's from Kelowna, and so she features quite a few Kelowna musicians on this. But we're going to play a track called Love Me or Leave Me. Hope you enjoy. This is Kinga from Kelowna.
love you only. I'd rather be lonely than happy with somebody else. You might find that nighttime the right time for kissing. Nighttime's my time for just reminiscing, regretting instead of forgetting that somebody else. There is no one unless that someone is you. I intend to be independently blue. I want your love, but I don't want to borrow. Have it today and to give back tomorrow. For my love is your love, there's no love for nobody else.
Okay, that was a track from Kinga. She's from Kelowna, BC, and she has this album out called Guess Who I Saw Today. And she is currently working on some new material with Gabriel Hasselback up in his studio in Burnaby. And the track you heard was Love Me or Leave Me. There you go, that was the name of the track. So, this next gentleman sent me a nice handwritten letter about a year ago. Here it is, I still have it. And he wanted me to play some music from this CD that he's been working on since 2014. His name is Liam Sturgess, and he liked what I did with Ashley Pater, and I said nice things about her, and I'm saying nice things about him too. So this is, he's been working on this for a good 4 years or so. And so I finally got, because I've now, restarted the vlog, he wanted me to play this song. So here's a song called Woa from Liam Sturgess. Enjoy.
And would you mind if I chose to take a companion, someone to carry me along for the ride? Cause if it's this or that or the other thing, why dwell on things that we can't know? And if we're dangerously beginning, then whoa, sing it whoa, sing it whoa, sing it whoa. Through my mind, but when we tie ourselves to new resolutions, oh, we're burning up empty inside. Cause if it's this or that or the other thing, why dwell on things that we can't know? And if the way this feels is so fulfilling, then whoa, sing it whoa, sing it whoa, sing it whoa.
Alright, thank you for watching the Van City Indie Vlog. My name is Ian, and you have heard from Van Django, you've heard from Liam Sturgess, right here, and you've heard from the lovely Kinga from Kelowna. If you have any music that you think should be on the show, you are a performer or you know of someone who might do well on a little bit with a bit more exposure, we do what we can. We try and get as many people out to see this thing on YouTube and Facebook. We seem to be getting more traction on Facebook these days, but it's a season 2, a new season, episode 1. And we're trying to do this every Monday. So if you do have music, please contact me here. And I will try and get back to you. Send me a link. I prefer a CD because that way I can wave it about in front of the camera, in front of my face, and then everybody can see that it's actually, you know, there. A good prop, as we say in the movie industry. So thanks for watching. Tune in again next week, and please share this, and lots of love. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again. Bye.